Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna take a look at two new products that I just got home from China. The first one is this desoldering pump, which did cost me about €5 or so. It's a 30 watt dual use solder suction. Oh, the plug is not meant for Denmark, so I have to replace that. But yeah, we're gonna see how well this desoldering pump can pump up some solder. Yeah, let's take a look at this one. The other thing I got is actually this one. It came like this in a little paper bag, and yeah, it was just sent like this. And this one did cost me about 5 or 10 euros, guys. So let's just go ahead and recap this Amiga with this one and see how well it recaps SMD caps. And included with this was these 5 beautiful heads. So let's just go ahead and just destroy this Amiga 1200. Recap this Amiga 1200 with this. I feel like I'm gonna break something here, but
I am the future.
yeah, you know how it is, guys. So let's go ahead. This one has got the Danish plug. That's nice. So we can start with this one. Just plug it in and see how well it works. I mean, I can adjust the temperature. That's great. I don't remember the ads between how many degrees and all that, but we're gonna check it out. And it's, yeah, you can replace the heads here. It's just beautiful. What we're going to do is actually using one of these Commodore Amiga 500 RAM expansions, the A501. Now these has, as you can see here, these has built-in water batteries, and they leak and destroy everything. So with this desoldering pump, I will try to remove the battery. But let's start with this beautiful 5 or 10 euro soldering iron, guys. There we go. The cord is about 1 meter long, and this is what you get for about 10 euros, I think. I don't remember. Free shipping from China. Light, feels cheap, looks cheap, but let's see if it gets the job done. So we can adjust here, minus and plus. Beautiful, right? So let's just go ahead and give this one some power, guys. There we go. And it says 320. EAO. So what does this mean? Nice. Let's just turn it off. It always helps. And on again. There we go. Come on. Okay. This means dead on arrival. So that was a short test, guys. Wow, it doesn't even heat up. Come on, man. I mean, are you serious? Yeah. This is what happens when you buy too cheap. It's just dead on arrival, guys. So it is what it is. Nice. And we can replace with if it worked with one of the others. Beautiful stuff, man, beautiful stuff. I mean, it's so cheap. If I just press this one together, it will bend, I'm sure about that. Oh, it has got a little white thing in there. I think that's the heater. Let's just go ahead and open, man. It doesn't work, so. Well, as you can see, it's broken and missing. Beautiful stuff. Yeah, that's what happens, guy. Let's just look at this desoldering pump. Maybe this one works. Nice. I should allow it to warm up for approximately 10 minutes. Press the handle until a click sound is heard. Place the tip of the nozzle against the solder you wish to remove. Then the solder melts. Press the button on the handle and the solder will be absorbed. Magic. And here it says, yeah. All right. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff. So this is included in case of you have issues here. Then you can just clean the head like this. So yeah, that's what it is. All right. It's light. It feels. It just looks so low and bad quality. I can just by looking at it, I know what I'm up against, man. All right. Come on. Oh. That's just not powerful enough, man. All right, let's just go ahead and yeah, so you can clean up. I mean, I like the idea. Yeah, this one just heats up the solder and yeah, I will just go ahead and find the cord so I can just heat this one up. So we can look at this one, guys. Let's go ahead and do that. All right. I've been looking around. I don't have a replacement plug. So sorry, guys, but I don't have it. So I can't test this, but I know you're a subscriber, so this one will be tested in a later other video, because 2020 Corona lockdown, I can't go out and buy a new Danish plug. I can buy groceries and that's about it, guys. They're just, you know how it is with the lockdown. So yeah, a later video about this one. But we're not done yet, guys. We're not done yet. Let's just clean this mess up. This one. There we go. Waste of money. But I mean, when you use one of these, listen to this. This is much more powerful, as you can see, when it pumps up. Beautiful. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna use this, and we're gonna use this one. This one did cost me about €8. Beautiful stuff, man. So this is what you can get for €8 when you buy it in a store here in Denmark. No shipping, no nothing. You just get it, and I mean, it's so cheap, so why not, guys? Let's just go ahead in this video. I'm so disappointed. I don't have the Danish plug and the soldering iron does not work. So the purpose of this video is just destroyed. So let's just go ahead and make this a Commodore Amiga 500 RAM expansion Vata battery desoldering video. Okay, let's go ahead and do that, guys, because this does not look so good. And oh my goodness. So this has been turned on for what, 2 minutes? Let's see if it's hot enough. Look at this, guys. It's barely. No, it's not hot enough. But the way we open this is, no, it's definitely not hot enough. But the way we open one of these is actually, they are soldered together. I mean, this one has got a lot of battery damage. So let's go ahead and try to heat this little soldering point. I mean, this soldering gun is just, it's not hot enough. And this round tip is not a good idea to use, but the purpose of this video, let's just go ahead and try one of these really cheap ones. I actually used this on a pinball machine driver board, and it has got maybe 100 plugs, and they had to be reheated, resoldered, and for stuff like that, it was actually at my friend's place, and for stuff like that, I just took it over to him instead of the one I have for the base and all that. And this one actually did the job. Yeah, easy stuff, guys. But let's go ahead and see how. Is it hot enough? Come on, man. 3 minutes have been gone by. Now it should be. Yeah. No. Yeah, alright. So let's go ahead and try to open this. Somebody has been trying to open it. Maybe back in the 90s, I don't know. There we go. Nice. So let's just try to desolder here. Look at this €8 desoldering. Oh, come on, man. I could give it some fresh solder, but yeah, there we go. I mean, this is just. Let's do some fresh solder down there. Yeah, that should be enough. Come on, you can do it. There we go. What's that? That was just so easy, man. With the proper tools. I mean, if you want to work with the Amigas, buy some decent desoldering gun, and you know, they're not that expensive. So we have, there we go. Okay, the moment of truth. Are you ready, guys? Oh my goodness. Look at the battery. Isn't that just crazy? And the area, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I mean, it has got battery juice all over the place here, and also on this IC U9, and we have the 512 kilobyte over here. Nothing on the connector. That means that it didn't mess up the Amiga's internal parts, but it is a bit bluish here. So yeah. Yeah, it looks like this, guys. I mean, look at this. Look at the brown back here, man. Man, that's bad. Ew. Okay, let's go ahead and try to desolder this one. I mean, it should be simple. Down here. There we go. Look at this. Yeah. So what I would do is actually I would clean this board up, and after I will wash it. Actually, I will wash it and then give it a vinegar bath for about half an hour, 20 minutes, and let just everything, it will bubble and it will neutralize with vinegar, and then just clean it with some ISO and hang it up for dry 2-3 days. Just make sure that it's totally dry. And then I will go through the components. As you can see, this one has to be replaced. You can see the legs, they're just, this one's dead, guys, no connection. Actually, usually in this situation, stuff like this, I have had others where these legs were all green, just like this one, but it actually doesn't look that bad. You know what, guys? I think this one, if I just clean it up and replace this one and make sure it has connection, you know, of course, because this area, and maybe resocket this one, maybe this one will work. I don't know. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.